Hello and welcome to my first tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make custom animations in Mario Kart 7. Now there are some things you'll need first. First you'll need a computer, of course. You'll need Blender. I'll have that link in the description. You'll need a add-on for Blender to export your animation files, which is Animate Export. I'll show you how to get that. I'll show you how to put that in Blender in a minute. You'll also need CTR Studio. That'll also be linked. You'll also need FBX converter to convert your DAE to FBX. Again, in the description. And and you also need a dump of your Mario Kart 7 files. You're gonna have to figure out how to dump that on your own. Now, let's begin. So first, let's get my model. Let's go get my model quick. Oh, wrong location. Alright, for me, I'll be using Luigi, if I can find him. There you go. Alright. Alright, so the first thing you'll need to do is actually export your model, as usual. Alright, I don't know where, well, you'll need your model. You'll need your model, click that. Then, the next step you'll need to do before you import it into Blender is you'll have to convert your model to FBX. This is a really important part for the animation. So first you'll have to add G. And then you click convert to FBX. It should be converted. And now time to import. First I need to reload this. Well, first I forgot to show you. So you'll have to add a add-on to export your animations, which is not that hard to do. You'll go into edit mode. You go into preferences. You'll go up here and install from that. And where is it? I believe it's over here. You click on that and it should be installed. You enable it, and then when it's time to export it, which should be right here. Now, let's begin. So first let's import our character. Now this part is important. Do not scale your model. If you scale it, it will look super large in CTR Studio, and it'll probably look crazy in games. So you do not want to scale it. Instead, what you want to do is actually zoom in and do that. Then you want to go to the armature and start posing it. Now, since if you don't know how to do animations yet, I'll teach you a quick way on doing it. Just for beginners. So first thing first, when you're animating characters from Mario Kart 7, you need it at 120. That's how the frames work for characters in the game. And now it's time to animate. So I'll just make something. Let me go put it up here. Something like that. That works. Alright. And make sure if I click on every bone. There we go. Alright. So when you're done making your first pose animation, click I and there. And then just every time when you get all the way up to 120, click I. This is something like this. I'm gonna go down. I go from there, and you just make your animation look okay-ish looking. From there, oop, my bad. From there to there, and we're gonna go from there to there. We're gonna go up to 60. All the way up to 74. You're probably guessing what animation I'm probably doing, but yeah, it's looking okay. I think I'll go up to 90. And 100. For the last animation, we'll go up here. 120. Last animation here. And boom! You got it! Well, now what we want to do is actually export the model, but first I might test it. That looks okay. Now, when exporting the model, you actually want to have it export at 120, I believe. And then you want to export to dot animation, the thing that you did. And I'm going to put LG animation somewhere. LG animation. There we go. It should be exported. Next is you want to go to skeleton animations and choose whatever animation. I'm going to choose the animation. My bad, I mean to click on export. I'm going to click on replace. And you want to scroll down and look for your file. Okay, where's my animation file? And just create. Alright, well, sorry about that pop-up. Go in, and if it does not show up for you, like doesn't show the animation, try exporting it again, but this time go with 0. It'll probably take a little bit before CTR Studio will realize you have a new animation. And if it still doesn't show, I'm sorry, it's a little hard to get the show, but yeah, it's kind of hard to get the show. Start animation. I think I made a mistake. I think you have to, I think I made a mistake. I think you have to do it like that, select the bones. There we go. I think it might have just worked. There we go. You see? I don't know how to play animations on CTR Studio really, but it should work. So hard to move. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Now it should look okay-ish. There you go. And then the next step, is to export it as like usual, be that file format as a BCMDL. And now I'll be right back. I'll have to try to get it in my game. I'll be right back. I'll be showing you my character through here. So this mod right here. See if this works. Give it a second to load. Alright. Still loading. Oh, slow. I'm sorry. My emulation's kind of slow right now. Alright. There you go. The animation's not perfect. There you go. That's how you make custom animations. I'll see you later. Bye.